Hey, Lee here with Okanagan Sawmill. Got a bit of a different video for you today. It's more of a will it run video, I guess. I've got a forklift which isn't running very well. So I need to work on that, on the carburetor and whatnot. I think it's mainly some fuel issues that I'm having. And I got to get this up and running because I've got a big oak log which I need to get on the sawmill. And I need this big thing to lift her up. So without further ado, yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so I pulled the carb apart and it actually wasn't very dirty. I did clean it a while ago, and everything still looks good. So I'm guessing the new filter that I put in line is working, which obviously I'll switch out as well. But I just thought something wasn't working right on this, but everything seems fine. So what I'll do is I'll get over by the forklift, get it installed, and let's see if we can get it running. I'm gonna run it off an auxiliary tank because part of the problem is the gas tank is all filthy, and I have cleaned it out, but there's like a whole bunch of surface rust, so I can't really rinse it out properly in the winter. So I'm gonna wait till the summer and see if I can clean it out properly. So in the interim, I'll just run it off an auxiliary tank and hope that fixes the problem as well. So we shall see. All right, I'll get this taken over to the forklift and bring you over there. Okay, so I probably should have told you what it is. So it's a Clark IT70 forklift with a extra long mast, so it can reach up about 30 feet in the air. So yeah. So, like I say, it definitely needs some TLC. So I'll get you set up and I'll get this carb put back on. And then, I don't know whether you can see, let me see if I get a pointer. So this silver thing here, that's the, you can't see that very well. So this thing here, that's what I got to change. That's the fuel filter. And then, like I say, I'm going to run it off an auxiliary gas tank. So yeah, let's get you set up. I'll get this carb put back on, and yeah, here we go. Okay, so what I've done is, so I put a new line on, comes out here, got the filter, this is going into the jerry can, and then, so I haven't hooked it up to the carburetor yet, so I've just got this clear plastic hose. I'm going to start it up and just see if there's any dirty gas that comes out. So let's just give that a shot a second. Okay. Well, I guess the battery's dead, that's not going to work, so let me just get something set up. Okay, give me a second. Forgot something, didn't I? I'm too excited. I forgot to hook up the throttle lever, so let me just do that a second. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I finally got that little nut on there. It was pretty tricky, but I got it, so let's give this another shot. Let's see if we can get it started. I didn't last long, but okay, we got it started. I think it's going to be all right. Sweet, that's good. So, yeah, I'll see if I can get that running a little better, and okay, so I'll just come over here so you can hear me. So obviously I've been a little high, but I can adjust all that later. But yeah, it's running, so that's really good. So we'll, like I say, I'll have a bit more of a tinker around with it, try and get it running nice, and then yeah, I'll bring you back. But I'm driving it around. Okay.